Disabling two-factor authentication on your Revolut account can help streamline your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once you are in the app, locate the profile icon or the settings gear icon, usually found in the upper corner of the screen. Tap on it to enter the settings menu. Step 3. Access security settings. In the settings menu, look for the security or privacy section. Tap on it to find the options related to your account's security features. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Within the security settings, find the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle or option to disable it. Select this option and confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, you may receive a confirmation message. Review any changes and ensure that your account settings are updated accordingly. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on your Revolut account. Always remember to keep your account secure by using strong passwords and monitoring your account activity.